Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences using the software. Today we're exploring Pipeline CRM. Located at pipelinecrm.com, this customer relationship management software aims to provide a visually engaging and intuitive platform for managing your sales processes. It distinguishes itself with a visual sales pipeline, allowing users to readily see where their deals stand at a glance. This can be particularly useful for visualizing progress and identifying potential bottlenecks. Pipeline CRM offers a range of features designed to streamline sales operations, from lead management and contact tracking to sales forecasting and reporting. The platform emphasizes ease of use, aiming to minimize the learning curve often associated with CRM adoption. Its drag-and-drop interface facilitates quick updates and adjustments to the sales pipeline. Pipeline CRM also integrates with various other business tools, enhancing its versatility and allowing for a more cohesive workflow. The platform appears to be geared towards sales teams of all sizes, offering different pricing tiers to accommodate varying needs and budgets. While a visual pipeline is certainly a compelling feature, it's crucial to consider whether the overall functionality aligns with your specific requirements. Investigating the platform's integration capabilities is also essential, especially if you rely heavily on other software for your sales processes. Ultimately, the effectiveness of any CRM hinges on its ability to improve sales performance and drive growth. Be sure to thoroughly evaluate Pipeline CRM to determine if it's the right fit for your business. It's worth checking out their website to delve deeper into the features and potentially explore a free trial or demo. They offer resources like case studies and testimonials which can provide valuable insights into how other businesses are leveraging the platform. Considering the competitive landscape of CRM solutions, taking the time for a thorough evaluation is key to making an informed decision. Don't forget to check the description for the link.